Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WYL. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, WYL is a slang abbreviation that stands for what you laughing or what you laughing at. People use it when they want to ask someone why they are laughing or what is funny. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WYL first showed up in the early 2000s in online chat rooms. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger internet users and texting communities. Now let's check out how to use WYL in a sentence. Correct example 1. I saw the message and asked WYL to find out why he was laughing. Correct example 2. She just sent me a meme and I replied WYL. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said DYL at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using YL right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. WYL means what you laughing or what you laughing at. It started in early 2000s online chat rooms, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with WYL in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.